Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to solve some important problems on determinant for you. Let us start the class. Our first problem is show that minus a square ab ac first row, ba minus b square bc second row, sc bc minus c square is equal to 4a square b square c square that we have to establish. So let us prove this one. We have minus a square ab ac ba minus b square bc sc bc minus c square. So let us take a b c common from row 1 row 2 row 3. Taking a b c common from row 1, row 2, row 3 we get. So if we take common, this will be equals to A, B, C and we will get minus A, B, C. Here it will give you A minus B, C, and you will take C common from third row, so that you will get A, B minus C. Now if you observe this determinant, you can take also common A, B, C from first column, second column and a third column. Again taking A, B, C common from column 1, column 2, column 3 we get. So if we take, we will get A, B, C, again A, B, C. This is minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1. So we'll get this. So the determinant which is given here, we have to prove this value of this determinant is 4a square b square c square. Now the determinant we have started. We have taken a b c common from R1, R2, R3 respectively. And we get ABC after common from first row, second row, third row. This determinant will get taking ABC common from column 1, column 2, column 3 respectively. We get this determinant. Now this is equals to a square b square c square. So let us replace column 1 by column 1 plus column 2. If we replace this column 1 by column 1 plus column 2, it will be 0, 1 minus 1 plus 1. This will be 0. This is 2. The second column will remain as such. Third column will remain as such. Because we are replacing column 1 by a column 1 plus column 2. So this is equals to a square b square c square. Let us expand this determinant taking first column. So this will be 0 minus 0 plus 2 into 1 minus 1 1. So this is equals to a square b square c square. This is 2 into 1 plus 1. So which is equals to 4, which is equals to 4a square b square c square. So we get the result. The first problem is now solved. So let us proceed to solve our next problem. Solve 1 x lambda plus 1 lambda plus 1 lambda plus x 3x plus 1 x plus 2. So we have to find the value of our x here. Solution. So we have 1 x lambda plus 1 lambda plus 1 lambda plus x 3x plus 1 x plus 2. This is equals to 0. Replacing column 2 by column 2 minus column 1. So let us replace column 2 by column 2 minus column 1, so that this determinant will give us, this first column will remain as such, no change. 1 minus 1 is 0, lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 1 0, x plus 1 minus 3, x minus 2, x plus 1 minus 3, x plus 2. This is x lambda plus x, x plus 2. So this value we are getting after this application, and this is equals to 0. It is given to us. Now what we have to do? Now we have to expand this determinant taking second column. So let us expand this determinant taking second column. So this implies taking second column minus 0 plus minus plus minus plus minus minus 0 plus 0 then minus x minus 2. We have to forget about the row and column containing x minus 2. That means the second column and the last row. So we'll get 1x lambda plus 1 lambda plus x. This is equals to 0. So this implies minus of x minus 2. This is lambda plus x minus x into lambda plus 1. So this is equals to 0, and this implies minus of x minus 2. This is lambda plus x minus x lambda minus x is equal to 0. This implies minus x minus 2. Here it will be lambda minus x lambda. This is equals to 0. Then this gives us minus of x minus 2, lambda common 1 minus x is equal to 0. This gives you x minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0 as lambda not equal to 0 given. So this gives you x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. So we are getting two values for x after solving this problem. Let us proceed to solve the next problem. Now let us prove the third problem. So the question is prove that a square plus 1 ab ac ab b square plus 1 bc sc cb c square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So proof. Taking A, B, C common from row 1, row 2, row 3 respectively, we get. So what we get? We are taking common A from first row, B from second, C from third row. If we take common here, it will be A 1 by A, this will be B, this is C. Here we are taking B common, so A, this will be B plus 1 by B, this is C. And we have taken C common, so this is A, B, C plus 1 by C. If we take common A, B, C from first row, second row, third row, we'll get this determinant. So let us multiply A, B, C to first column, second column, and a third column. So we have to multiply. So if you multiply, then this will give you, A will be multiplied to first column. It will be A square. So this one will be B square plus 1, B square. This will be C square plus 1. So what we have done here? Multiplying A, B, C to column 1, column 2, column 3 respectively. So we get this is determinant. Now what we have to do so that the result will come. So if you clearly observe, we can replace column 1 by column 1, column 2, column 3. Replacing column 1 by column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. If you replace, this gives you, this is equals to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. This is B square, C square. And here again we will get A square plus B square plus C square, and this is B square plus 1 C square. and this will be again 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. This is b square c square plus 1 will get. What we have done here, we have replaced column 1 by column 1, column 2, column 3. After that, what we have to do? So let us take common 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. From first column we will take common. So by taking common, it will be 1, 1, 1. This is b square plus 1. This is b square. C square plus 1 will get. We have taken 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square common from first column, which gives us 1 plus a square, b square, c square. Now replace row 2 by row 2 minus row 1, row 3 by row 3 minus row 2. If we replace, we will get row 2 is first row will remain as such. Then the second row becomes row 2 minus row 1, means here 0, b square plus 1 minus b square. So obviously 1, c square minus c square is equal to 0 will get, because we are replacing row 2 by row 2 minus row 1. Now we have to replace row 3 minus row 2. So this will give you 0, this gives you minus 1, this is 1. We are getting this value. Now after getting this, let us expand this determinant along the first column. So this will give you 1 plus a square plus c square one into this will be 1 0 minus 1 1. Then minus 0 plus 0, we are expanding along column 1. So which is equals to 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. This is 1 into 1 minus 0. That means 1 a square plus b square plus c square. So proved. The third problem is solved. Next, let us proceed for the next problem. Now, our fourth question is this one. Eliminate x, y, z from a is equal to x by y minus z, b is equal to y by z minus x, c is equal to z by x minus y. And we have to solve it. So here a is equal to x by y minus z. This implies ay minus az is equal to x. This implies ay minus az minus x is equal to 0. This gives us x minus x plus ay minus az is equal to 0. So this gives us x minus ay plus az is equal to 0. So let us take this as equation 1. The second one is b is equal to y by z minus x. So this implies bz minus bx is equal to y. This gives you bz minus bx minus y is equal to 0. So we can write minus bx minus y plus bz is equal to 0. Minus bx minus y plus bz is equal to 0. So this gives you bx plus y minus bz is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now the third one is c is equal to z by x minus y. So this gives you cx minus cy is equal to z, from which we get cx minus cy minus z is equal to 0. This is our third equation. So we get x minus ay plus az is equal to 0. The second equation is bx plus y minus bz is equal to 0. Third one is cx minus cy minus z is equal to 0. We are getting like this. The first is x minus ay plus az 0. The second is bx plus y minus bz 0. The third is cx minus y minus z is equal to 0. Now eliminating x, y, z, we get 1 minus a, b 1 minus b, c minus c minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 1 into 1 minus c minus b minus 1. We are expanding, taking the first row. This will be plus a, b minus b, c minus 1. Then a, b plus 1, c minus c is equal to 0. So we are expanding this determinant, taking the first row 1. So we should forget about the first row and a first column. 1 minus b minus c minus 1. Then minus of minus a plus a. We have to forget about the first row, the middle column, second column. So we are getting b minus b, c minus 1. Then we have to take a, the first row and last column we have to forget. So b1 c minus c. So this implies 1, this is minus 1 minus bc. A minus b plus bc. This is a minus bc minus c is equal to 0. So this implies minus 1 minus bc minus ab plus ABC minus ABC minus AC is equal to 0. This gives us minus 1 minus BC minus AB minus SC, because this ABC cancels, is equal to 0. This gives us AB plus BC plus CA plus 1 is equal to 0, which is the required answer. So with this, the topic for this class is completed. In my next class, I will meet you with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.